तो इन सारी अनचाही आवाज़ों के लिए हम लेकर आए हैं एयरफंक 1 Pro. अब श्योर नो मोर. So your Airfunk 1 Pro comes with the latest Qualcomm 3040 chipset. This is 3040 Qualcomm chipset. Again, this is a great chipset which provides you a CVC 8.0. CVC means Clear Voice Capture 8.0, and also it comes with noise and echo cancellation. Now let me just go a little deeper into what is this CVC and noise cancellation. So Airfunk 1 Pro also comes with ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation, and with quad microphones. One mic for cancelling out the ambient sounds and the other mic for voice capture. And as I was saying, that Qualcomm 3040 chipset comes with CVC. So CVC combined with ENC helps you reduce the ambient noises up to 25 decibels of sound. So वाकई में sure no more, only clear बात. Also your Airfunk 1 Pro comes with latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology. Now this is a path breaker in this category. This is one of the first and the absolutely latest Bluetooth 5.2. Also, within 10 meters of your distance, you will have a very hassle-free transmission. So the range is fantastic. So this, this Bluetooth 5.2 technology will give you a very good connectivity and also a very optimum range. So your Airfunk 1 Pro also comes with 13mm dynamic drivers. Now, what does this mean for you? 13mm dynamic driver means you will get a very heavy duty bass. As a country, we love our bass. I don't want to get into different examples, but with this 13mm dynamic drivers, you'll get enhanced music, and all the cinematic movie lovers, they will love the complete experience. So apart from 13mm dynamic drivers, your Airfunk 1 Pro also comes with the best in battery life. Now, what does that mean? देखिए, इससे पहले, before we made Airfunk, I was also using multiple TWS, and I was testing them in terms of क्या sound experience आता है and also battery backup कितना आता है. और मेरा ये अपना personal experience है, मैंने जितने भी काफ़ी सारे product use किए, and for example when I used to take flights, तब उसके अंदर when I used to have watch movies, so within 2 hours, 2.5 hours, these TWS used to die. And if you're watching a movie, it is very annoying. मतलब आप बीच में ही खत्म हो गया आपका TWS. So that was a very broken experience. So we took learnings from that, and in Airfunk 1 Pro, you get 7 hours of music playtime. 7 hours non-stop music playtime, and also 32 hours with your charging case, which I think is the best in class. 7 hours and 32 hours with your charging case is fantastic. I think this will give you a very complete experience in terms of your music, listening music, and also watching movies. And of course, when you have that sort of battery, we are also providing a Type-C charging interface so that you don't have to use multiple connectors while मतलब एक फ़ोन आप फ़ोन के लिए अलग connector use कर रहे हो और Airfunk के लिए अपने TWS के लिए अलग connector use कर रहे हैं. Not like that. This also comes with a Type-C charging interface. They also are IP44, which is water and dust resistant. Now, what this means is that IP44 makes your earphones sweat, rain, splash, and dust resistant completely. So you can hit the gym, enjoy the outdoors, chalte raho India, bina ruke, bina dare. Absolutely, Airfunk 1 Pro comes along with a smart touch. So you will have multiple smart touch out here. You will have a wake up voice assistant. You can tap twice and you can play pause music. You can tap thrice. It's up down transitioning of music. You can tap once. It's call answering. Long press for 2 seconds, you can reject calls. You can tap twice, you can end call. So it is very easy to operate and very fast in switching. तो ये था हमारा Airfunk 1 Pro. Now let me introduce you to our second model in this category, which is Airfunk 1. हमारा अगला चैंपियन Airfunk 1. अब वॉइस उल्टा, गेम पलटा. So first time ever, we are introducing a voice changing feature in a TWS. What this means is just switch your voice to female or male during a call. This is a very disruptive and a very unique feature, and also one of my favorite feature. तो इसमें होता क्या है, सपोज कीजिए आपके पास एक कॉल आ रही है अगर, so and you have this Airfunk 1, आप इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आप अपने राइट साइड वाले एयरफंक के ऊपर अगर आप 3 सेकंड के लिए प्रेस करेंगे, आपकी जो वॉइस है वो आपकी मेल से फीमेल में चेंज हो जाएगी. तो अगर आपको अपने ऊबर या ओला वाले भाई साहब को गेट तक बुलाना हो तो उसे कॉल लगाइए और 3 सेकंड तक इसको प्रेस कीजिए, आपकी वॉइस चेंज होगी, भाई साहब बिल्कुल गेट तक लेने या गेट तक छोड़ने आएंगे आपको। और दूसरी तरफ अगर लेफ्ट वाले ईयर के अंदर अगर आप उसको 3 सेकंड के लिए प्रेस करते हैं तो योर वॉइस विल चेंज फ्रॉम फीमेल टू मेल। अब इसको कैसे यूज़ करना है, कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है, इसके बहुत सारे तरीके हैं और आप सब लोग हमसे ज़्यादा समझदार हैं, आप वो सारे के सारे तरीके और फीचर्स अपने आप ढूंढ लेंगे। ऑल्सो योर एयरफंक 1 कम्स विद यूनिक 3D सराउंड साउंड इफेक्ट। उसका मतलब ये है कि राइट और लेफ्ट चैनल में जो स्प्लिट है दैट गिव्स यू अ वेरी इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस वेर यू कैन एंजॉय द मूवीज एंड म्यूजिक बेटर लाइक थिएटर स्टाइल। मतलब पूरा 3D के अंदर साउंड आ रहा है, यू विल गेट अ कंप्लीट थिएटर सॉर्ट ऑफ एन इफेक्ट। इस कैटेगरी के अंदर 3D सराउंड साउंड आपको देखने को नहीं मिलती है। सो अगेन दिस इज अ कैटेगरी फर्स्ट। इस कैटेगरी के अंदर वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग 3D सराउंड साउंड। And of course, your Airfunk 1 comes with 9mm dynamic driver for high bass because in India we all love heavy bass. So for that, again, heavy bass and great immersive experience, this 9mm driver are going to help you with that. Your Airfunk 1 comes with advanced Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Also, within 10 meters of your distance, you will get a very hassle-free transmission. So, with your 5.0 connectivity, you'll get fast, efficient, and absolutely zero delay. So your Airfunk 1 comes with a very large capacity battery. What it means is, it comes with 5 hours of music playtime. Now 5 घंटे का continuous music means आप 5 घंटे में you can watch a movie and also you can play your music, और आपकी मनचाही कोई भी सीरीज देख सकते हैं for with 5 hours of music playtime. Also with the charging case, you will get 15 hours of playtime. So 5 hours of music playtime on your buds and 15 hours of playtime with your charging case, which I think is fantastic in this category. I have not seen something like this. And of course, this comes with a Type-C charging interface, so you don't have to juggle between multiple interfaces. In terms of whether it is water and dust resistant, again, category first, IP44 water and dust resistant both. So IP44 makes your earphones sweat, rain, splash and dust resistant completely. So you can enjoy them anytime, anywhere. So also your Airfunk 1 comes with Smart Touch. Again, मैंने आपको बताया था जैसे मेल टू फीमेल वॉइस के लिए 3 सेकेंड यू हैव टू प्रेस ऑन योर राइट बड एंड इट विल जस्ट चेंज योर वॉइस। इसी तरीके से मल्टीपल टच है इसके अंदर। अगेन ऑन अ सिंगल टच यू कैन प्ले पॉज द म्यूजिक, लेफ्ट राइट पॉइंट वाइज यू कैन डू, अगेन अप डाउन ट्रांजिशन हो जाएगा उसमें। कॉल आंसर करने के लिए अगेन अ सिंगल टच विल बी देयर। लॉन्ग प्रेस फॉर 3 seconds यू कैन डू, यू कैन रिजेक्ट कॉल्स। सो लाइक दिस यू विल हैव मल्टीपल स्मार्ट टच फीचर्स इन दिस। एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर से आपको बताना चाहूंगा, विच इज मोनो एंड स्टीरियो यूज। अनलाइक अदर TWS in the market, you can use either one of the buds for mono usage and both buds together for stereo usage. कई बार हमने देखा होगा कि हम एक बड लगाते हैं जब हम किसी से बात कर रहे होते हैं, दोनों बड्स नहीं लगाते हैं। तो जब आप एक बड लगाएंगे उस टाइम पे आपको मोनो साउंड आएगा, और जब आप जब दोनों बड्स आपने लगा रखी होगी, you will get a stereo sound, which is a very unique feature again in this category. So friends, the Airfunk 1 Pro with CVC and ENC comes at rupees 2499 only, and the Airfunk 1 with its unique voice changing feature comes at rupees 1299 only.